Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shiny Craft. Today we draw a colorful mandala art on a flamingo bird. For this, at first I draw it on a 220 GSM paper. After drawing, I erase it lightly so that there is no need to erase the pencil line. Here I am using Sakura graphic coloring pens. So let's start. Firstly, I took the pink shade and draw the outline of the first bird. Then I took the orange color to fill the inside of the bird. At first I tried to do the feather, but I didn't like the outcome, so I normally fill it. To give it a deeper look, I use the pink shade in the lower neck portion. Using this pink color, I separate the wings with the body. In the wings portion, I use the yellow. And I also use the yellow color in the lower belly portion of the first bird. I use the yellow color on the upper beak portion to highlight it and the upper neck portion of the second bird. I use the pink shade again to create the border of the second bird and using the orange color to fill the body. Okay, so now we move to the mandala art on the back side of the bird. For the first line, I am using blue. Here I draw some small oval shapes and fill the gap with the blue color. For the second circle, I am using sky blue color and draw an outline also. Here you can draw whatever design you want and fill the gaps with the same color. I am using the color in this mandala art to deep to light pattern. Then I use the green color for the next round. Here I draw a half flower and fill the gaps. I also draw an outer line to separate it from the next round. Then I use yellow for the next round. Here I draw half leaves and fill the hubs of it. Now I am using orange. Draw small circles and fill the gaps. Here I am using all 0.5 number of graphic pens. Now I am using red and draw some lines and draw a dot over the lines. Now I am using red and draw some lines and draw a dot over the lines. For the next small round, I am using the deep pink, which is commonly known as the wine color, and fill the gaps. For the very last circle, I am using violet color here. Here our back mandala art is complete. Let's move to the bird. I am using the yellow color for the base of the legs. And for shading, I am using the light brown. And using the deep brown for the lining. At last, I use the black graphic pen to draw the border all over the bird. And here our colorful mandala bird is completely ready. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye for today. See you in the next week.